Mubango uyu urongoreirie kuhonokia nyamu itiganite kuma mogwati-ini matiganite maria maigumagira iria ni hamwe na nyamu iria cikaranagia na andu micii-ini.
The Animals in Disaster Fund campaign initiative is one that connects to a global initiative called the Sendai Framework. Sendai is a place in Japan where world leaders met, experts in disaster response also met. They discussed and came up with the idea of how to respond and prevent animals that are caught up in disasters from suffering.
Wambiriirie na kunora andu aria maikaranagia na nyamu cia mithemba itiganite ni thukuru wa University wa Nairobi, thirikari cia matura ikiurio nacio kunyita itemi na njira ya kuiga kigina gia kurumbuia nyamu iria iri kaunti-ini ciao.
We are supposed to ensure that this knowledge of animal welfare and disaster management is propagated, preserved and transmitted to the next generations.
Every county in the national government, that we set aside a fund for animals in disaster, and that is why we are here, to sensitize the community, sensitize our leaders, sensitize everyone, so that every time we are doing a budget, we also factor in a budget for the animals in disaster.
Animals also suffers. As a county assembly, we will work in partnership with this team that will bring this today. We'll work with the executive to make sure that some funds are being put aside during our budget processing so that we can be able to support this idea.
Aria maikaranagia na nyamu ici kaunti-ini ino ya Laikipia na makiria muno mahiu makiuria ona mahiu mao marumbuio na njira ya gwetherwo cieni cia kurithiriria mahiu mao.
Ningeomba pia wajaribu pia watuangalilie holding grounds out spans ndani ya hii mashamba, tupate mahali ya kulisha na tupate kunufaika. Tumepoteza ng'ombe mingi, tumepoteza kweli, na ninashukuru sababu naona kilio yetu imekuja kusikika.
Mubango uyu ugukorwo kihe ona motungata ma urigitani kuri nyamu iria ciabatara cia githaka hamwe na iria cikaranagia na andu micii-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.